Hello student, good morning to everyone. Today we will learn about a new tag. The name of the tag is pre-tag. Pre-tag will be useful for predefined text will be print over the website, or we can say the predefined text will be directly display over the web page, in which sometimes we need to display the text as similar we have written it at the time of the coding part in the HTML document. Now you can look at the HTML document we have written. Here is the example. This is the input only enclosed within the pre-tag. Pre-tag is very important for displaying the text with the space in between the characters, also at the time of displaying over the output screen. We can look at the output screen over different browsers. We have already known about the tag, pre-tag. For that you have to watch our theory video related with the pre-tag. Today's practical just explains you the detailed explanation about the practical related with the pre-tag. You can look at the program. HTML is our starting tag, head, title for giving the title, body tag for enclose the text, enclose the total area of the web page inside the body tag. So for the today's video, just I am creating a new paragraph with the explanation of the new tag that will be useful for display the text with spaces also in between the characters. Characters can be anything. Characters, the set of character you already know. It can be a numeric numbers, digits, or alphabets. So for that, just you can print as you type the program at the time of designing the program or at the time of coding of the program. Right now we are doing some coding part is there. You can see pre-tag is very important tag. Just I am highlighting the tag with a okay. So I hope you will understand the name of the tag. But for this I will just highlight the name of the tag with a bold format. So my laptop is not responding right now. Now just I have changed the whole HTML document by selecting the whole document, and I have highlighted for showing you the HTML document in the proper way. Now if I am not leaving the space in between that, then what will happen? And if I am not using pre-tag, firstly we will see what will happen if I am not leaving the space in between the text. What will happen? From the input you can say very clearly that the text appear with the first line, second line, third line, fourth and fifth line will be displayed over a single line, because there is not given a BR tag. There is not given a BR tag. For that it will show the output of such a program will be shown, will be displayed over the web page like the normal HTML page. Now I will open my file. Now you can look at the web page. Just it is displaying the output at a single line only. But what was the input? Just I have opened the two files in front of you. The one file will be show you the output of such a program, and one another file will be useful to show you the input. What I have typed in the HTML document, you can look at the Notepad software. It will be easily show you the input. The numbers are written with the different line, but it is displaying over a single line. You can look at the output at the full screen. So why it is shown, why it is displayed you the output like that? Because of there is not written the tag name pre-tag. If I am writing here pre-tag, pre tag, it will be useful to display the text with a predefined format. And if I am closing the tag with a slash, and after closing, save the document or click over the save button, just output will be displayed with that I have written in the input file. After using pre-tag, pre-tag, you can see the output at the full screen like that. Before using pre-tag, that numbers were displaying with the single line, but right now the number are very easily displayed with the spaces also in between that. You can show the numbers as written at the input in the HTML document. So the pre-tag also will be useful to show the predefined text as written at the time of coding. This will be very useful to write some examples in the mathematics or some problems useful in the different subjects, or to show the address of a particular person at the output screen. So for that you will have to use the pre tag, and if I am leaving space in between that, what will happen? What will happen if I am leaving some space in between that, then here text will be changed, here the output also will be changed with the number separated by the spaces. Okay, so after changing I will have to save the document and go to the output screen and just refresh. You can see the output will be displayed like that. If I am changing something more, then after saving it will be changed. The spaces means the space count will be useful with the new tag name pre tag. Also we can say predefined tag. You can get the detail about that in our previous videos related with the pre tag. So today we got the new idea about the pre tag. Also we will take one more example about writing the address of a person. So for that, 2 at the first line, 2 will be there. At the second line, A, B, C, Ram Nagar. Actually you can type anything here. House number 1345, Pune 34, Maharashtra. Okay, this is the address of a particular person named ABC, and if I want to show the address at the output screen, then firstly I should have to save the document, and then just we will see the output. Output will be seen like that. Instead of that, if I am not using the pre tag, what will happen? You already know that the text will be appear at a single line. Just we will see the output also at the output screen. You can see the output is displaying at a single line, but it is not a proper way. So for that, use the pre tag before 2, or you can use BR tag at the end of every line, but it is very complicated. It will be very complicated, and it will not be proper way to show the output, but we will just try at that time. Saving the document, Control S will be useful for save the document if I am refreshing the output screen. Also you can see the output at the different line, but here if I want to leave some spaces, then what will happen? After saving the document at the output screen, nothing will be changed, but instead of that, if I am using pre tag, PRE tag here, and just close the tag with a slash, this is the area of that tag. We can use the text within that area, from starting and ending, only that text will be changed. There is no need to take a BR because this is optional. And this is our last example for the pre-tag. Just save the document and see the output. You can see very clearly the output of a particular input. Output of a particular address is there. You can see the address is displaying very clearly and very effectively that you can change in your web page. So thankful for watching this video. We will meet with our next video, and best of luck student for your future. Thank you.